Thank you, Samuel. You're my lifesaver.
Samuel always
You know what?
I know,
Everybody,
but like,
you own Samuel a big applause. Like, thank you, Samuel. You're saving my life. Thank you.
I honestly think
Samuel should change his name to the awesome dude who reminds
It's-
Carrie.
Yeah.
It's
I'm
probably
going to rename Samuel is
it's a
Samuel.
really stupid thing
So
to be proud
Samuel
about.
equals the best reminder. Okay.
Oh.
I changed it back.
我这个真讨厌. Okay. So everybody, do you get it? So the first one, do you get it? How to do this?
No.
Yeah.
Okay, so of course we have another way of doing that is because we have 2x plus 9y equals 81 and 3x plus y equals 34. So from the second one, y equals 34 minus 3x. Correct, Oliver? So that means all the y equals 34 minus 3x. So we can just put this one back to the equation first. So 2x plus 9 times 34 minus 3x equals 81. So 2x plus 306 minus 27x equals 81. Okay, so you have negative 25x equals negative 200 and 225. So x equals 9. Okay, so you get it. So x equals 9. So y equals 34 minus 3 times 9. So y equals 7. Okay, so there are two ways. It's up to you which one you like to do. Some people said, hey, 老师，我比较喜欢用方法一，那你就用方法一。老师，我比较喜欢用方法二，你就用方法二。Okay, but there's always something we can check if my answer is right or not, because we get x equals 9, y equals 7. So how do we get it? It's right or not? We put it back. So 2 times 9 plus 9 times 7. Is it equals to 81? If it is, then that's right. If it is not, that means you get something wrong. Okay, Daniel, why you're having a lot of question marks?
Maybe because Isaac sent happy faces.
Okay, everybody, if you understand how to do it, we're going to take a look at the number 2, okay? So 9x plus 4y equals 35. And 8x plus 3y equals 30. Okay, so now I'm going to introduce the method number 3. Okay, everybody?
Subtraction.
Okay, so I can just directly minus these two. So I have x plus y equals 5. Get it, everybody? 9x minus 8x equals x. 4y minus 3y equals y. So x plus y equals 5. So how am I going to do this? So I have equation number 1, equation number 2, and equation number 3. And I can just times 4 and times 4 for both sides. So get another equation is 4x plus 4y equals 20. So I'm using 1 minus 4. So 5x equals 15. X equals 3. So we know x plus y equals 5. So y equals 2. So we can just put it back when x equals 3. 9 times 3 plus 4 times 2 equals, am I making, oh, sorry, x equals 3, y equals 2. Yeah,对呀. 我做错了吗? Am I making something wrong? 27 plus 8 is not 35. X, y. Yeah, it's right. Times 4, 4x plus 4y equals 20. So 5x equals 15, x equals 3, y equals 2. Yeah. And did I make any mistakes?
I don't think so.
Yeah, I don't think
No.
so. No, right? So what's wrong with me?
24 plus 6 is 30.
Oh, yeah, 20. No, it's minus.
What?
Which part I'm making mistakes?
What?
4x plus 4y equals 20. So this one.
I
5.
don't think you made any mistakes.
Yeah, but the thing is x equals 3 and y should equals 2. So 8 times 3 plus 2 times 3 equals 30. Yes, it's right. But 35 is it right? So 9 times 3.
8.
Oh, yeah, 8. Yes, sorry. 27 plus 8 equals 35. What I'm doing. Okay, understand everybody? So this is another way. Okay, sorry, I got stopped. So understand? So Samuel, how to using which way it is up to you. But my key is, let's take a look at number 3. So number 3, how do we do
Stop
it?
adding check marks.
Number 3, I'm gonna do 2 minus 1. Right, the equation 2 minus equation 1 will be much easy because 7x minus x equals no x, 4y minus 2y equals 2y equals 10. So y equals 5. So 7x plus 10 equals 52. So 7x equals 42. So x equals 6. Get it? So pick up the right way is increasing the speed of you getting the right answer. So everybody, so you're doing 4, 5, 6. Okay, 3 questions. And please send me the answer by calculation.
Stay.
What's that?
So Harvey and Kai, if you're finished, so please send it to me. Okay, Harvey, I can barely see you face.
I'm almost done.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Last question.
Okay.
Daniel sent the answer to everyone.
Daniel 就是个小傻傻。
喂，
我们等一下弄个 pool，然后大家来选一下，同意的选 A，不同意的选 B。Daniel 是不是小傻傻？哎呦，Isaac，我真的，你能不能换过来？我看不清楚，你行不行嘛？
啊，
快点，告诉你妈妈去了。
好，把人的 copy and
还
paste。
有还 chose A。
Oh shoot.
Daniel, don't send the answer in public chat.
Daniel，你把所有的答案都发给所有人了。亲。Okay, so I have
Trust myself
seen,
on those
most
answers.
of I get it. Elaine, I have got Oliver's and Kai
Whoops.
and yeah. So send me the answer, please. Okay, Samuel, good job. I have received your answer.
Why is it? What?
Oh my god.
Making sense. Wait, fine, I'll just do it. Cause I can't control it, my keyboard.
Wait,
Oh,
is something wrong with the
Lamia.
keyboard? Also, your mask was gone for a second.
Yeah, 我的 mask 怎么没了 sometimes.
I can see you for like a split second when you raise your head.
Okay, so I'm going to
No, I'm still typing.
okay. 哎，Daniel，你能少聊聊天儿吗？你做完了没有？嗯，他跟我说，他说6就是一种现代人夸人的贬义词，又夸人又贬义。
Sorry, Carrie, for the first few sentences. It's a sad face. I can't control my keyboard. It's just the way it works.
OK，好，你今
I
天就这样
do
倒
not
过来。
understand what that
OK，你今天就倒过来啊。
Yeah.
You like my photo I sent you guys?
I didn't even see it.
It's a picture of my dog.
Oh, I thought it would be some kind of malware.
那泰哥现在怎么样啊？
That's like Tiger 5 months ago. No, like 6 months
对，我
ago.
们家小狗已经会走路了。
The babies.
Yeah，
What's the
满地乱爬。
What's the definition of a dog walking?
Like he's walking everywhere. Can you believe that?
Dogs can walk on 2 legs everywhere.
No, 4 legs.
Oh.
It's not called walking, it's called crawling.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, it's crawling. You're right. Okay, everybody, we're going to take a look at this one. Okay, so the first question, what is the answer? So 4x plus 6y equals 54 and 9x plus 2y equals 87. So how am I? So for using this one, I'm time 3 for this question. Okay, so I get is 27x plus 6y equals 261. So I minus that, minus equals 23x equals 187. Yes. Okay, so x equals what? X equals 我是不是又做错了？7啊，对，3 yeah 187没错啊。哎，我觉得我今天脑子不太好。
What?
Harry, it's 207.
Yo, the cheese string.
Yeah,
Oh my god.
71。
接出来，对吗？你做的对吗？你做的对吗？
对，261啊。 哎，我觉得我今天对对对，我这个 207，Thank you。我
80?
剪错了。哎呀，今天老师脑子非常不好。So the answer is 9. X equals 9 and Y equals, I'm sorry. So it's 36 plus 6Y equals 54. 6Y
I have,
equals 18, so Y equals 3. So the answer is 9 and 3.
I have a feeling everyone got that right because Daniel said it in public chat.
真的吗？Daniel，我跟你说啊，不许 set up public, okay? So number 2 is easy. Number 5 is easy. Just a 2 minus 1. So the answer is 4y equals, oh my God, equals 12. So y equals
So
3
far.
and x equals 2. Okay, so last but not least, x plus 2y equals 21. 3x plus 5y equals 56. So I'm using the method 3, okay? So the equation 2 minus equation 1. No, it's not good. Still, I'm going to using method 2. So x equals 21 minus 2y. So
Mommy.
3 times 21 minus 2y plus 5y equals 56. So 63 minus 1 equal 1y, equals 56. So y equals 7. And x equals 21 minus 14, also equals 7. Okay, get it, everybody? Okay, so we're going to just practice the last 2 questions and we're going to moving on. Okay, we're going to move on. So number 30 and number 31, just 2 questions. And after that, please send it to me. Don't send it to public, okay? We're moving on. We're not going to stick to these questions anymore. 要难的来了啊！那天 Daniel 说了，Daniel 说老师啊，我觉得你的作业一个星期就比较简单，一个星期又比较难。那我要是每个星期都难的要你们都要哭出来的样子，那你们这个日子就很难过啊，对不对？我是不是一个好人？对不对？不能天天都难，对不对？难的都不行。但是这个星期就上个星期简单一点，这个星期你们知道的啊，就日子难过一点，对不对？然后下个星期又好一点，对不对？不能天天都很好过。Then you don't feel it. You don't feel it's good time.
Oh shoot, what the?
What?
Oh. Oh, not again. Not that emoji instead of the parentheses. Mm-hmm.
噔噔噔噔噔噔噔噔噔噔噔，Samuel 已经做完了，做完了。Samuel 一个人发给
You're not.
Andy。你看我这个唱歌是不是很有魔力？
No,
哎
it's
看哎开始
Daniel.
唱了。我们以后要这样子啊，就每个小朋友一边做题一边唱歌，有一种很欢乐的气氛。
Carrie's gonna.
Start the train. Starting the
Don't
train.
look
Oh
at the
my
chat.
gosh, Daniel sent the answer in the chat again.
To be fair, I'm pretty sure everyone's done that question by now.
Daniel. Daniel. Okay, so I'm going to just quickly do that. Most of you get it right, no problem. Okay, so number 30, just two equations minus together. So 5x equals 25, so x equals 5. Okay, so y equals so 35, so 12. Okay, good. 5 and 6. Okay, the next one, yeah. X equals 5, y equals 6. Very good, Ivy. Good job. So number 31, how do we do it? Okay, so I am using the bottom and the top times a different one. So the top times 3 and the bottom times 5. So 15x plus 9y equals 24. And 15x plus 25y equals 40. Okay, so 16y equals 16. So y equals 1. And x equals 1. So 1, 1. Daniel, good job. Ivy, good job. Oliver, good job. Okay, very good. Okay, so are you ready, everybody? I think we all understand how to do this. So this is going to be part of a homework. So we're moving to the next level. 2 variables and only 1 equations. Okay, so how do we do this? So I'm going to give you equation like 4.
You have to list.
Yes, so 5y equals 98. Okay, so yeah, Oliver's having a very ugly face. So instead of how to do them, so I'm going to ask Elaine a question, okay? So in order to find x or y, and we want to find out all the answer in positive integer, okay? So if later on you see this symbol, that means integer and it's positive. Okay, understand. Oh, who's having the piano? I think it's Isaac.
Mom, stop.
No, it's okay, Isaac. I can just mute you for a moment. So let's take a look at this one. So we have this x and y has to, so x and y has to belong to z and plus. So what does it mean? Z equals whole number, okay, integers. And if you see a positive there, so I want to ask you a question. So is it possible that x and y equals 0? No, okay, because it's positive number. So 0 is neither positive nor negative. Okay, so everybody, let's do the next one. Okay, so the next one is how do we do this? So there are 2 choices. You can either set x equals 98 minus 5y divided by 4, or y equals 98 minus 4x divided by 5. So which one you're going to pick up with? Like I said, okay, choice is always more important than attitude. I think attitude is more important than IQ, and choice is more important than attitude. So you need to choose to starting with X or starting with Y. So I want to hear your choice.
I don't know.
Why?
Why?
这边是 A， 这边是 B. Okay, so I'm going to pull the pool. So let's pick. So some people choose A,
What?
some people choose B.
Who
So
could have
which one
pulled?
you choose?
Wow, what is that?
A is starting with X. B is starting with Y.
Huh?
Yeah, you want to guessing Y equals X or X equals Y?
I feel like I'm gonna give myself a hard time for choosing Y, but I still did it.
What's C and D?
No C and D.
Wait, what's Y? What's Y?
Choose
What?
C and D.
What's Y?
Who created that poll?
Of course, your teacher, me. Other than me, who did it? 难道是那个谁 Daniel created them.
What's up? What's Y?
Y equals 98 minus 4x divided by 5. X equals 98 minus 5y.
No, but is Y A or B?
No, Y is B. X is A. Oh my God.
Oh,
我跟你讲，自从 Isaac 把自己倒过来以后，整个人脑子都不好了。我觉得毕竟我们要原谅他，毕竟他是这样上课的，对吧？这样上课肯定上不好，你们说呢？他是横着上课的，对不对 Okay, everybody, I'm going to end the poll and I'm going to share the result, okay? So 71% of the students make a good choice, okay? So I'm going to explain why y is better than x, okay? I'm not going to say that why because y is always asking why, so that's why y is better. No, okay? That's a very lousy joke, I know. Thank you, Elaine, for laughing, and Oliver, thank you for laughing because you know what? Sometimes the lousy joke is only like making me very embarrassed. So let's take a look at this one. So why y is better for this case? It's because you take a look at this one. The answer y has to be positive integer. That means the number 98 minus 4x must be divisible by 5, right? The number could be divisible by 5 must be last with 0 or 5.
5.
And think about it. Is it possible that this number is end up with 5? So 98, in order to have a number minus a number end up with 5, so this number must be end up with 3. So 4 times any number cannot have any number last with 3. Correct, everybody? So that is a very important thing. I'm not using anything fancy. I'm just using the even and odd part of our learning process. Correct, Elaine? Correct, Oliver? Right? Okay, so now I know. So the answer is only end up with 0. So want to find out all the 4 multiplication, which is end with 2. Oh, sorry, which is end up with 8, right? So x could equals 2, x could equals to 7, right? Because 2 times 4 equals 8, and 4 times 7 equals 28. I think that is the only number. So begin with, right? Okay, so now I'm going to explain to you why x is not a good choice, okay? Because you know what? X equals 98 minus 5y divided by 4. There are a lot of possibilities there, Ivy, understand? Because there are so many numbers could be divisible by 4. Not like 5, he is very picky, right? 5 is a picky girl. He can only divisible by with a number and with 0 and 5. Get it? So when we are choosing a thing, so girls, you have to listen, okay? It's good to be picky. Get it? When you're picky, being picky and you're being picked, right? Okay, yeah, so you know your teacher is very picky, okay? Okay, so everybody get it? So, and boys, right? So you know that. So we can just starting to list. So x equals, when x equals 2, so the top became 90. 90 divided by 5 equals what? Equals 18. Okay, so let's see. When x equals 7, 4 times 7 equals 28. So that is 7. 7 divided by 5 equals 14. Okay, so who can guess what is the next number? I think it's very easy. X equals 12, right? So it's 28. Yeah, 我是不是又走错了? Yeah. Okay, 48. Oh, what up? 48. Today I'm not in very good mode, I think. So 12 times 4 equals 48. So 48 minus 98 minus is 50. So 50 divided by 5 equals 10. So it's 12 and 10. So we can almost predict it, the next one, because it's always like that, right? So it is plus 5, so plus 5. So 17, so minus 4, it is 6. So the last one is 22 and 10. Get it, everybody? So how many answers we can have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 6. Get it, boys and girls? Okay, so now we're learning.
Yep.
You don't get it?
I said yes.
Okay, good. Okay, so now we're going to get something easy, right? So I'm a good teacher, right? I just want to prove it to you. I'm not a meanie. So I'm going to, this question is pretty hard, but the question we're calculating right now is 2x plus 3y equals 1. This is your question, okay? And I want to have the answer in integers. Okay, and probably it's going to be more than 1. I'm not going to tell you, okay? And 3x plus 5y equals 7. Okay, so I want to have the answer in integers as well. And everybody, please start it.
Does X and Y have to be different?
It's not some, yeah, no, it doesn't have this criteria thing. It's not.
What's
Jason joke.
music?
My mom.
Oh,
Do I have to answer with like all the numbers possible?
Yeah.
Like,
no,
if
just to give
possible.
me 1 set is fine.
Okay.
They just tell you that you move for one answer.
Do we just have to give you one answer? Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
How much answers
So
do we
Isaac, I just turn you off. Okay, I just gonna mute you for a minute.
I can't even hear you because
Yeah,
of
it's too
like
loud. I
the
just
music.
Okay.
How
Isaac.
many answers do we send you for
You can just give me, okay, so this thing, very good. I'm glad all of you is not like falling into my trap, because actually there are a lot of answers there, right? There could be a lot of them. Yeah, so let's take a look at this one. So first of all, Ivy, you're going to pick X or Y? This is a question that we always asking ourselves.
X.
I'm gonna pick Y because it's, yeah, X and maybe you're right. So because Y, the divisibility rule of Y is actually you need to add the digits. Abby, actually I agree with you. And the X, because it's divisibility rule of 2, and as long as you just think about the last digit. Very good. Okay, so X equals 1 minus 3Y divided by 2. So we're going to have a rate, so X and Y. So in order to make that one, so Y must be odd number, right? Because odd times odd equals odd, and odd minus odd equals even. Okay, so if you make Y odd, even, sorry, if you make Y even, so odd times even equals even, odd minus even equals odd divided by even. It's not divisible. Get it? So I know Y could only be even odd number. So I'm going to put Y equals 1. So 1 minus 3 equals -2. So x equals -1. Okay, y could equals to 3. So x equals -4. Everybody? So I could also make y equals -1. So it's x equals 2. While y equals -3, so x equals 5. Okay, get it? But the thing is, you can see the answers in different, so they're all differences of 3. Get it? Okay, so there are unlimited answers here. Okay, so the next question will be the same. I'm going to do y is 7 minus 3x over 5. So that's the same thing. Make a list and do the thing.
So do you one answer in which x can equal and one number where y can also equal?
Yeah, yeah. You can find
Okay.
out, yes. But the thing is, we have to see that this time it's asking you the integers, right? If I said x and y belongs to positive integers. So this question has no answers at all. Get it? Because they are both one negative, one positive. So if both of them has to be positive, that's impossible. Get it? Okay, so look, always check the answer, okay? Because the answer is very, very important, okay? So now, let's move forward to the question. I'm going to give you a question like that, okay? So this question is today's hardest, okay? But we just to try it, okay? If you don't understand, that is totally fine as well, okay? So 70x plus 20y plus 21z equals 300 and 233. Okay, so this is the last question we're going to do, okay? I'm not going to go there yet. Okay, so I just leave it here. So first of all, I want to do some questions with all of you, okay? So get your paper out, okay? So I have a 4-digit number, okay, everybody? I have a 4-digit number, okay? So I just write it A, B, C, D, okay? And I take away A. So this number became what? B, C, D, right? Okay. And this number right now equals what? BCD times 3 minus 42. Okay. So based on that, I want you to find out what is ABCD. Okay, so Oliver, yes, you're showing me very ugly face again. When Oliver is showing very ugly face, that means he thought the question's getting harder. Yes, okay. But the thing is, trust me, there's no hardness at all. Trust me. So Ivy, I want to ask you a very simple question. So A, B, C, D looks like very weird, right? But have you ever learned place value when you are in grade 2 or grade 3? 有没有学过？啊，肯定
We
学过
still
的
do it
那
in
肯
grade
定
5.
学过的，对不对？啊，你跟说不定有些小朋友现在还在学，对不对？ So I give you a number 2,582. Okay. So this 2 represent what? Some people tell me it's a 2. No, it's not 2. It's 2,000. It's 2 times 1,000. Why? Because this 2 is sitting on the 1,000 place. Harvey, understand? Right? Okay. I don't even know. Yeah, where he is. I cannot see his face. Yeah, Harvey, do you understand? Okay. I think maybe your chair is too relaxing. Okay. So let's take a look at this one. So this A is not A, it's A times 1,000. Do you agree with me, Ivy? Yeah, Harvey, let me tell you, okay? So everybody is like that. Okay, they want to be very relaxing and they want to be really casual. They don't want to like pay attention to me. They think, oh, this lady is a little bit cuckoo. Okay, but now see everybody, they're as cuckoo as me, like, right? So we're proud to be cuckoo, right, Ivy? Oliver, right? Samuel? Samuel said no. Okay, Oliver, you're
I said yes.
okay. Okay, so Samuel, can you tell me B times what? B is on which place? 哎呀，回去重新读小学3年级啊。Grade 3 back.
What?
B is sitting on which place? So this 5 is sitting
Hundreds.
on. Thank you. Thank
Sorry,
you.
I was
thank
lagged
you.
out.
Okay, so let's see. C times what? Kai.
Oh, 10.
Thank you. Thank you. D times what? Daniel. Daniel, 来，今天来又没脸了，没脸，没声音，没脸，没声音，快，D 乘以什么？你在干嘛？快点 unmute yourself，把你妈妈叫来了啊。
1.
Thank you. So D times 1. So technically, we don't have to do anything for D, right? So the other side, we're actually having 300B, 30C, and 3D minus 42. Everybody, do you understand what I'm doing over there? I'm kind of like, because I think this class, everybody should understand, right? So now we're moving everything together. So 1000A minus 200B minus 20C minus 2D plus 42 equals 0, correct? Mm-hmm.
Oh, we're subtracting it. Yeah, I get it.
Get it?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. So now I'm going to, no?
What?
Yeah.
No?
No, yeah.
Okay, yeah.
No,
Okay,
yeah.
thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I would like, what? Did I do anything wrong again? Okay, I cannot handle this, okay? So I can divide it by 2 for both sides because it's 500A minus 100B minus 10C minus D minus, sorry, plus 21 equals 0. Don't you agree with me?
Yeah.
Yeah, I divided by 2 for both left side and right side.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah, okay. So now I'm going to put it all together. I still like them to be other sides, to be honest. I make a mistakes, okay? But it's okay. That means you know you can just do, so 500A actually equals 100B plus 10C plus D minus 21. So I move this one back to the other side. So 500A is actually equals BCD, this number minus 21. Correct, everybody?
Yeah.
Yes, okay, so now this is the time we try, okay, we try. So A, is it possible A equals 0? Ivy, 可不可以是0,545？可不可以这样？ The first digit can never equal 0. So this is something I told all of you, almost like the first class, right? Okay, so I just try if A equals 1. So if A equals 1, that means 500 equals BCD, this number, minus 21. So BCD equals what? 521. Okay, so we have an answer already. So the answer is 1,521. Okay, so
Huh?
Elaine said, I don't believe you. Okay, how about A equals 2? Okay, so let's see. So if A equals 2 is 1,000 equals BCD, this number, minus 21. So BCD, it is actually equals 1,021. Okay, so but
Can I go to the
BCD is a
washroom?
3-digit, yes, but BCD is a 3-digit number. So how come BCD equals 4-digit number? Impossible. So the answer is 1,520. Okay, I'm going to do you want me to explain again? Because I think for some part, a lot of students kind of getting a mystery. So let
Yeah.
me, yeah, so I'm just do it again. Okay, so from the very beginning. So I have a number A, B, C, D. Okay, so it's a 4-digit number. And I am very naughty. So I said, hey, I don't like A. So I just make it a 3-digit number, BCD. Okay. So I know BCD times 3 minus 42 equals the original 4-digit number. Okay. So I can do that is 1,000A plus 100B plus 10C plus D equals 100, sorry, equals 300B plus 330C plus 3D minus 42. correct? So 1000A equals 200B plus 20C plus 2D minus 42. Correct? So I can divide it by 2 and divide it by 2 both ends. So I have 500A equals 100B plus 10C plus D minus 21. Correct, everybody? Okay, so now 500A equals BCD minus 21. That is a moment I think some people are starting to confuse. But you see, you need to know how to transfer this one to that, and you need to know how to transfer this one back to this one. Correct? Understand? So that's why when A equals 1, so we're starting to try because A cannot equals to 0. So 500 when if A equals 1, so 500 equals BCD minus 21. So that's why BCD equals 520. If A equals 2, so 1000 equals BCD minus 21. So BCD equals 1021, which is incorrect because BCD is a 3-digit number instead of 4. So that's why the answer is 1521. Okay, my phone is getting crazy because every time I ask him, that's why, and he said, 哪一个? I said, that's why. 哪一个? My phone is getting crazy.
Yes.
Mhm.
Yes. Good job, Siri.
Goldie, no, come on, come here. 哎呀，你们两个坏蛋！你知道他们两个在干嘛吗？他们俩在拆我的那个 Happy Halloween 的那个新毯子，very bad。
Goldie. Goldie and Bagel.
Yeah.
Oh, what about the baby doggies?
Oh, baby 就是老大、老二、老三、老四。They don't have name yet. 哦，Bagel，妈妈喜欢你。Okay, yeah, she needs a lot of attention. See,
And then Goldie comes in and steals the attention.
Goldie is jealous. 你看 Goldie 在这儿，Goldie is very jealous. Okay, everybody, I hope you understand this question, okay? Because it is nothing really, really hard, but it is just breaking your feeling about numbers, right? Because the number could be just a breakup like that. Okay, so now I'm going to give you a question. Yeah, because you know what? I have a notebook and Pen can steal it. 所以我的题都被他偷走，然后我也不知道放哪。
Why did Tang Tang steal it?
啊，你不要觉得他是想做题啊，完全没有，他就是他
What?
是想救你们。They want to save you guys. Okay, so now I have that one. So just 1 second.
And now Carrie doesn't have her notebook.
No, I have my notebook, but she hide it. I don't know, like this morning she just hide it. So okay, I got it. Okay, because I don't want to give you super hard questions, so you're gonna start to hate me. Okay, so this question is, I have AB plus CD plus EF plus GH equals 314. Okay, so each number represent different non-zero numbers. Okay, each letter represent different non-zero numbers. Okay, so I want you to tell me A plus C plus E plus G over B plus D plus F plus H equals what? Okay.
Is A B A times B?
No, it's AB. It's a number. It's a 2-digit number.
And they're all different?
Yeah.
And
So think about it, everybody. They're all together 4 2-digit numbers. And the answer is 314. What? Is it possible like A and C and D and G equals something like 1 or 2?
No.
It's impossible. Very good. Okay, so everybody, I want you to starting to have an estimate ability. Okay, so a lot of people said like when you're good at math, you must be very smart. It is not like, oh, they check your IQ. They go to your house and say, hey, let's check your IQ. No, it is because the people who's good at math, they have logic. Okay, so logic is something like make yourself looks like you're smart. Okay, you can predict something. Okay, for instance, right, you see like there are a lot of raining, then some people they're going to starting to sell umbrellas, right? Because people think, oh, that is good way, right? But still, if raining a lot of days and people still import a lot of sunscreen, it's obviously not logical. Get it? So when you see 4 2-digit number plus together need to equal 300 something. So this number must be bigger than what? Bigger than 5 or bigger than 6. Right? Correct, everybody? Don't you agree with me? And all the number cannot be the same. Okay, all the number cannot be the same. So I know that B plus D plus F plus H must have a carryover or no carryover. I think it must having a carryover. Right, because I don't want to exactly know what is answer for this question. Okay, everybody, we don't need exactly the answer for those questions. We want to know like the sum, right? So my best guess is A plus C plus E plus G equals 30 and B plus D plus F plus H plus equals 14. That is the best case. Okay, so let's see if we can put them A plus E, C plus E plus G equals 30 and B plus D plus FH equals 14. And you can only use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so I want you to try yourself. Understand? Okay, so this is your homework, okay? We're not going to, because the trying the number part, I think you can do it yourself, right? Okay, so now let's just move back to the earlier question. So, 那道题到哪儿去了？啊，在这儿。Okay, 吓死我。So everybody, let's take a look at this one. Okay, so we're moving to the today's final destination is 3 variables, 1 equation. 你看 Oliver 的脸已经彻底崩溃了，崩溃的脸。So let's take a look at this one. Okay, so we have know that 2 variables, 2 equations, piece of cake, right? 2 variables, 1 equations, a little bit harder, but we all manage how to do it. So the last one, 3 variables, 1 equation. So I want you to think about it.
Did we just skip the previous question for homework?
No, the previous question is homework. Yeah.
Oh, okay, yeah. Stop.
Do we just list all the possibilities or something?
I think we just give one answer.
Yes.
Can we have decimal answers?
Nope. Whole number.
Nope. Nope.
Okay,
Well, that's confusing.
Bagel, Bagel's so cute. Bagel's a good girl. Touching
One.
Bagel is the cutest girl ever. And Bagel is going to be Bagel is a good mom.
I
Okay.
thought you just called her an attention seeker when she came over the last time.
你们知道吗？你们知道吗？就我在摸 Bagel，然后狗底就把头咔一下钻过来，然后把 Bagel 顶开，然后它头大嘛，一下子顶开，然后我就只能摸它。狗底你不能这样，这人真是太嫉妒心太强了。我摸摸你妈妈的。
But Bagel's Cody's mom.
Yeah, I know. 我真的，我给你们看一下，等一下我拍这个视频给你们看啊。我摸 Bagel 的时候，狗底就因为狗底高嘛，狗底把Bagel 的头顶开。没有见过这种人，怎么这样？嫉妒心好强。狗底如果是人的话，一定是个非常 jealous 的 man，jealous man。Okay, everybody, so let me tell you, okay? So with this 3 variables and 1 equation listing, of course you can do that, but it's not going to be very helpful.
I got it.
You got it?
We did just send to you in the chat. Well, like what one answer?
Yeah, there's only one answer.
There's only one?
Yeah, there's only one answer.
Oh, I know.
Okay, so Isaac, you send it to me. Isaac, send it to me. 什么鬼东西？有没有这种骗子？
What?
哎呀，你们这种啊，我看看能不能 share this screen with you. Let me see if I can share the chat with you. No, I can't. I cannot. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. So this question, I think I need to start to explain, right? Okay, so the number is really big, okay, Ivy, Javi, and Kai, Daniel, okay? So the number is really big, how we do it, okay? So there's a thing is called estimate, okay? So let me just ask you, so 17x plus 20y plus 21z, because they're all positive number. So this one must be bigger than what? And must be smaller than what?
Am I correct?
No.
Am I correct?
No.
Hey!
Who's saying no?
I don't know.
你们两个人的答案不一样 okay?
Oh.
Okay, so
Who is correct?
either
So let's
Either-
take a look at this
either
one.
one
So
of them
who
is
can
right or
tell
both of
me-
them are
who can
wrong.
tell me? Who can tell me?
No one can.
So this one is bigger than 17x plus 17y plus 17z. And this one is smaller than 21x plus 21y plus 21z. Don't you agree with me?
No. Yeah. Yeah.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Someone like that.
Okay? 懂不懂？这个懂不懂？ Okay, so now this one is 233 is does everybody understand this part?
Yes.
You understand this part? Okay, so because I want to know x plus y plus z equals what, right? Yeah, I
That's no.
I can find out x, y, z as well. But I want to know what is their sum first. So x plus y plus z is smaller than 233 over 17 and is bigger than 233 over 21. Don't you agree with me?
Yeah. So it's between 21 and 11.
Wait, if the question was x plus y plus z,
Mhm.
I sent you y and z.
Okay, so 233 divided by 21 equals what? Equals 11 something, right? So that means x plus y plus z is 11 and 11.95 something. So because this is an integer, so x plus y plus z is bigger than 11.095 and 233 divided by 17 equals 13.71. So something like that. So x plus y plus z must be bigger than what? 12. Could be equals 12 or equals 13. Get it, everybody here?
Yeah.
Okay, good. I heard, yeah. OK， 好，那有些小朋友说，老师为什么不能等于11.095啊？因为 x、y and z 都是整数啊，整数相加只能等于整数，整数相加永远不可能等于分数。There's impossible. You have decimal or fraction there. So x plus y plus z is bigger than 11.95. No matter is 11.0001. 它只要比这个大，那它就只能等于12，不能等于11。Understand? As long as it's a little bit bigger than 11. And this one is smaller than 13.71, so that's why it's 7. So that's why x, y, and z could only equals 13 or 12. Understood, everybody? I'm going to stop here and you're going to think about it.
I sent you y, x, and the values of x, y, and z. Does it still count?
Mhm.
No.
It probably does, since you don't really need to do that much beyond that. Just add them up.
Hamburger Pro.
What? Why didn't they send poop running?
What?
Someone said a running poop emoji and then running emoji in the chat.
Okay, everybody understand? Okay, so now I'm going to starting to do how to do this one, okay? So the last part, so let's move forward, okay? So x, I'm using a black color. So x plus y plus z if it equals to 12. Okay, so 17x plus y plus z equals what? Equals 17 times 12 equals 204. So
Oh.
that means 3y plus 4z equals, okay, I don't trust myself counting to 29. Get it? Okay, so now this question became what? 2 variable, 1 equation. Correct,
Mhm.
everybody? So this is something we learned and we know how to do it. Ivy, remember, right? So it's 29 minus 4z over 3, y equals. So let's see. So x and y. So, so when x, oh, so sorry, z and y. Okay. So when z equals 1, 25 divided by 3, no. When z equals 2, yes. X, y equals 7. When z equals 3, no. When z equals 12, yeah. When equals 4, 16, 13. 16, 13, yeah. When z equals 5, yes. So equals 3. Okay, so I think that's it. And there's no more. Okay, so y equals 2, z equals 2, y equals 7, so x equals what? 12 minus 9 equals 3. Okay, so this is a set. And we
Yay.
have another set.
No.
X equals, z equals 5, and y equals 3, and x equals 4. So we have two sets already. Okay.
You said there was only one answer.
Yeah, but the answer, I want
No,
to
we have to submit one answer.
x plus y plus z equals what? Equals 12. So let's see. I want you all to calculate. Oh, it's so red. I want you all to calculate what if x and y and z plus together equals 13. How is possible? How it is impossible. Okay, so what if x plus y plus z equals 13? So this is my process. I put it here already.
That's impossible. Hmm.
Carrie, Why
Yeah.
does this like 17 times x plus y plus z
Mhm,
equals 204
mhm.
become 3y equals 4z?
Yeah, because we have original this one, right?
Oh,
The original one is 17x plus 20y plus 20z. 21z equals 233. And this one, 17x plus 17y plus 17z equals 204. So using this equation minus that equation. So this techniques we just practice like the first thing in this class, remember? Right? Yeah.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
Goldie, Bingo! Goldie! 吵死！两人在上面玩的开心，都嗨了。Okay, so this one is the same. Okay, everybody. So we're going to do what? Times 70, right? So times 70. 我跟你们说，今天这个17乘以13，我都用 calculator 做，因为我觉得我今天计算好烂啊。I don't trust myself anymore. So 70x plus 17y plus 17z equals 221. So this one minus this one equals what? 3y plus 4z equals 11. Ah, no, 12. Oh my God. 今天
Oh
老
my god.
今天老师真是傻了，我跟你说。Okay, so this question is y equals 12 minus 4z divided by 3. So when z equals 1, y equals nothing. Yz equals 2, y equals nothing. Yz equals 3, y equals 0. Okay, so the question is positive integer. So 0 is not an eligible answer. So that's why they cannot use it. Get it, everybody? Okay, okay. So this is a part I want to. So I know a lot of students said, okay, I can just putting them together and just to make some guess. But the thing is, this is a very good way of learning. Okay, okay. So I think we're having a very good time today. Okay, so just remember, we're learning the one variable, one equation, two variable, two equation, two variable, one equation, three variable, two equation, and three variable, one equation. Okay, so this is a layered. Okay, so I hope you all enjoy this class because today's class is kind of a little bit hard, but not really hard. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed it, and we're gonna see each other next week. Okay, bye-bye.